Redmi 5, the compact powerhouse. Redmi 5. It has a gorgeous 18:9 HD Plus full screen display, a super powerful Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor, a great 12 megapixel rear camera with huge 1.25 micron pixel, an amazing selfie light, and a dual graphite shield. All of this housed in a premium metal body, which is very comfortable to hold. And that's why we call this device the compact powerhouse. So today we are launching not one, not two, but 3 different variants of Redmi 5. 2GB RAM, 16GB storage, 3GB RAM, 32GB storage, and we also have 4GB RAM, 64GB storage. So pricing of Redmi 5. We are launching Redmi 5 2GB, 16GB variant at an incredible price of only 7,999 and 3GB 32GB variant at 8,999. We also have 4GB 64GB variant which is being launched at an amazing price of 10,999. So where can you buy Redmi 5? It will be available starting next week on me.com, Mi Home and Amazon. It will also be available across all our offline partners. With every Redmi 5, Reliance Jio is offering an instant cashback of Rs 2,200 and additional 100 GB data. You also get 5% cashback on me.com and Amazon with SBI credit cards and 90% discount on Kindle ebooks. That's all guys. Thank you so much for joining us today.